The most immediate impression gained from the description is how utterly unpleasant Mrs. Cratchit is, both in appearance and in her nature. You could say her character, okay? It's up to you. Firstly, she is described immediately as being small, skinny, and an old hag. Whilst the connotation, you need to stop talking, boys, please. The connotation of skinny is generally negative. Now, there's no point to saying as opposed to slender or slim, which is seen as a positive, because you've not got the time to talk about what's not there. Only talk about what is there. So it's generally negative, because you know that it is. Skinny is not a good word. Slim or slender normally would be used if you want to say somebody looked good. But stop talking. When this is combined with old hag, we immediately showing the effect on the reader, understand something of her character as well. The noun hag relates entirely to women and is only ever used as an insult. The addition of the word, what's wrong with that? The word. Good, excellent. Don't waste yourself with word. The adjective, old, okay, implies that she is always like this, although this is only implied. A hag is a harsh sounding word. You need to stop talking at the back, please. It's a harsh sounding word and insulting. Yep. You might not want to say that again, but the addition, semicolon, the addition, or the additional information regarding her, and then literally you only need to have the word moustache, adds the impression of ugliness and unacceptability, especially in our Western culture. And here you can use, to get those better marks, to show your real understanding, you can show your knowledge of intertextuality, which you haven't done yet, but you could say, and, sorry? Thank you. Reminiscent of the, can you put the pens down, please? The descriptions of the witches, weird sisters or witches in Macbeth. Okay, there you're showing your intertextuality. Guys at the back, I'm doing this for your benefit. I've not used all the time by any means, and I have described it to you, but that's how we start, okay? You make sure you go in depth about the words. A whole paragraph basically about hag. There's so much more you can do there. I'm not going to do it all, but that's the beginning of a good answer. I've put in some technical, some subject vocabulary, but I haven't chosen a piece of vocabulary and wound round it. So what I'm going to do is now ask you to have a go at that and stop this there.